Hello everyone, I am Professor Miss Snehal Kale here with another video of microbiology, that is reproduction in bacteria. The content of this topic is introduction, reproduction types, vegetative reproduction types, asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction in bacteria. We will begin with the introduction. Bacteria are the simplest, the smallest and the most successful microorganism. They were discovered by Anton Leeuwenhoek in the year 1676. In the five kingdom classification, they are placed in kingdom Monera. Types of reproduction in bacteria. Basically, there are three types of reproduction in bacteria. The first one is vegetative reproduction, second one is asexual, and third one is sexual reproduction in bacteria. We will begin with vegetative reproduction. In that, first one is budding. In this case, a small protuberance called bud develop at one end of the cell. Genome replication follows and one copy of the genome gets into the bud. Then the bud enlarges, eventually becomes a daughter cell and finally gets separated from the parent cell. Here you can see the structure of budding reproduction, that is budding in a Plectomyces species. See, the bud is present at the top and later on it gets separated as an offspring from the mother. Next is fragmentation. Mostly during unfavorable conditions, bacterial protoplasm undergoes compartmentalization on subsequent fragmentation, forming minute bodies called gonidia. Under favorable condition, each gonidium grows to a new bacterium. It becomes apparent that prior to fragmentation, the bacterial genome had to undergo repeated replication so that each fragment gets a copy of it. Next is binary fission. It is the commonest type of reproduction under favorable condition in which cell divided into two similar daughter cells. During the process, the bacterial chromosome get attached to cell membrane and replicate to the bacterial chromosomes. As the cell enlarges, the daughter chromosome gets separated. A cross wall is formed between the separating daughter chromosome. It divides the cell into two daughter cells. See, here it is clearly shown that in the binary fission, the chromosome is get separated and later on it forms the two daughter cells. Next is endospore formation. In case of endospore formation, the endospore are resting spore formed in some gram-positive bacteria. They are formed within the cell. During this process, a part of the protoplasm becomes concentrated around the chromosome. A hard resistance wall is secreted around it. The rest of the bacterial cell degenerates, and during favorable condition, the spore wall gets repeated and the mass give rise to a new bacterium. Conidia. Some bacteria such as Streptomyces, considered as true gram-positive bacteria, produces conidia in chain. Each conidium germinates to give rise a new bacterial thallus. Sporangiospore. These are motile plantospore are seen in rhizobium. Sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction occurs in the form of genetic recombination. There are three methods of genetic recombination: transformation, conjugation and transduction. In case of transformation, It was first studied by Griffith in the year 1928 in Diplococcus pneumonia. In transformation, DNA from the donor cell initiate heritable changes in recipient cell. The transformation involves only one trait, though several may be acquired dependently in this way. See, this is the bacterial transformation. Here we can see that bacteria with gene for a capsule later on heat kill bacterium disintegrated and release DNA into surrounding. Again in another diagram, bacterium without gene for capsule is shown, which is used for gene expression, that is gene taken in and expressed. The gene which required it is taken from the first diagram, which was heat kill, and we are using it for gene expression. Next is conjugation. It was repeated by Lederberg and Tatum in the year 1946 in E. coli bacteria. Cell-to-cell union occurs between two bacterial cells, and genetic material, that is DNA of one bacterial cell, goes to another cell lengthwise through conjugation tube, which is formed by sex pili. As a result, the recipient cell possesses duplicate gene for a number of characters, as is seen in E. coli, an inhabitant of human intestine. Transduction. It was first of all repeated in Salmonella typhimurium by Zinder and Lederberg. In this method, genetic material of one bacterial cell goes to another bacterial cell by agency of bacteriophage or phages, that is through virus infecting bacteria. So here we are completed with the reproduction of bacteria.